Hi everyone, it's Frida and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to make this cloisonne unicorn pendant. I started with texturizing the blank with a hammer. This is optional. Doming is necessary to prevent warping, so that's what I did here. After that I applied the clear fuse for both sides, starting with the back. The next step is to fold the cloisonne wires. This time I was struggling a little bit. I felt like the wires didn't want to cooperate. I'm using a glue to hold them in place, but they kept falling over and sticking to my tweezer instead of the base. But I didn't give up, so finally I finished it, and I'm really happy how it turned out. The idea of making a unicorn came from a cartoon which was released I think in the 80s, and I loved to watch it with my daughters when they were small. The movie called The Last Unicorn. In this movie the villain king wants to destroy all the world's unicorns. When the young unicorn learns that she is in danger and maybe she is soon to be the last one of her kind, she leaves the safety of her home and teams up with a sorcerer. Together they embark on a journey to defeat the king and save all the unicorns from extinction. This movie is so charming and cute and magical. Let me know if you've seen it. Cloisonne wires are flat wires and I make them myself, rolling them in my rolling mill. They stand on their edges, and when the base coat melts, they get stuck in it. I'm almost done with the wire work here. And I fired it off camera. Next is choosing the colors. I've chosen these bright blue colors, which I really like how they look together. These enamels are washed and ready to be used. The next step is the wet packing. It's a pretty enjoyable process. I usually start with the smallest section in the middle and work my way outwards. The colors always look different after firing, so it's always a little bit of a surprise how they turn out. I try to blend the colors nicely with a needle, and I use a lot of water for this. I let it dry, and now I'm firing it with a torch because I really don't want to use my kiln in this heat. It's time to apply the second layer of glass enamel. These are transparent enamels, which means that the copper base is going to show through, making them really shiny. So far the colors look really nice, I think. I really love how these shades of blue and the white look together. Let me know what you think. When I'm done, I'm firing it off camera. The last step is to sand the piece. I use diamond pads for this. I use the more coarse and the finer one and the little polishing pad too. During this process, the enamel loses its shine. So at the end, we have to fire it again to get the glossiness back. The last step is putting it in the setting. I made the setting myself, and this is a copper setting. And it's done. I'm really happy how it turned out. Please watch my previous video where I make the wolf cloisonne pendant. If you like this video, please subscribe and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!